Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Rush HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.myrush.rushstores.com. After you do so, you will be ending up in this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your personal email address and the password of your account. After you do so, hit the sign in button to get logged in into your account. However, if you're new to the account, then simply tap on sign up now, or to reset your account's password, tap on forgot your password to simply change and reset it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.